Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Natural monopolies are tricky, but we can find the socially optimal quantity fast. Let's break down the government's best move to fix this market failure. Socially optimal production happens where price equals marginal cost. However, for a natural monopoly, the marginal cost is usually below the average total cost, which creates a massive financial loss here. Because the firm loses money at this efficient output level, they would simply exit the market without help. Taxes would only make their financial situation worse and discourage any production. To keep the firm running at the optimal level, the government must grant a lump sum subsidy. This makes option E our final winner. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sophie. Avoid the rush and watch signs. Trust the given info and check your steps.